Hey guys, Werner with Red to Black Academy, and I'm here to support you in creating $10 million in wealth. So if that's something you're interested in, you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. So let's get started. So today I'm talking about what are the three accounting statements and why are they so important for you, whether you're building a business, buying a business, or investing in a business. So three accounting statements cover every single business. You may say, well, real estate's different than stock market investing. No. All businesses are the same. And the accounting statements show you how healthy a business is. Think of the accounting statements like an EKG that monitors your heart. It gives you feedback in terms of numbers on what's actually going on in the business. So let's look at the three statements. Number one is the income statement. So the income statement tells you about the operations of a business. What does it take to operate that business? And what I mean by what does it take is how expensive is it to operate that business? Certain businesses are more expensive to operate than other businesses. An airline business, which is hugely cash intensive, is way more expensive to operate than a database business. And the accounting statement will tell you that, specifically the income statement. So the income statement is basically your revenue minus your expenses gives you your income. That's essential to know. One really important number, which I talk about in another video, is the operating margin. It's all your costs of goods and services, your sales, general, administrative, and then what's the income left over. That tells you how efficient a business is at operating. Okay, now after we've looked at, let's say, the income statement, we're analyzing a company. Now let's go look at the cash flow statement, because as cash is coming in and I'm expensing certain items to create an income, now I want to look at how much cash is actually going into my coffers at the end of the year. So the cash flow statement will tell me three different things. My cash from operations, which is the cash coming from the income statement. My cash from investing, where am I investing that cash that's coming in? And my cash flow from financing. What type of debt or equity am I raising? How many dividends am I paying out each year? That's what the financing statement will tell me, or tell you if you're investing in that business or buying that business or building that business. It's essential. So one thing to look for on the three areas of the cash flow statement is positive, negative, negative. And my co-host Mario over at the Red to Black podcast was the one who came up with this. And what you're looking for is positive cash coming in, and then it's going negative going out. So they're making good investing decisions and good financing decisions. You want to see a company that's bringing cash in and then reinvesting that cash out. That's what the cash flow statement will tell you. And then number three, we want to look at the balance sheet, the third statement. The balance sheet tells you who owns what. Do you own a majority of your business, or do outside creditors own your business, or outside equity sources own your business? That's what you want to know. So the balance sheet will tell you, if you're evaluating a business, how indebted is this business? Do they have a ton of liabilities and only a little bit of cash sitting in the bank? If something went wrong, they couldn't cover those liabilities? Or do they have low liabilities and tons of cash in the bank and tons of cash flow coming in that they could pay off those liabilities in a year like Microsoft, or in 3 years like Oracle? Look at highly indebted businesses. It may take you 25 to 30 years to pay off. Those are important metrics to know if you're going to invest in a business. You want to see the whole picture, from cash coming in to how much cash sits in there to where it goes, and then who owns what, the balance sheet. So thanks guys for listening, for watching. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, like, comment. If this would provide value for you, and even if it didn't provide value for you and you can think of someone else who could provide value for, please send it to them. And as always, I look forward to connecting with you in the future.